Okay, meron tayong slap. Oh no. We are in the trolling area. Ah! Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Mga sira ang nagtutroll dito. Maraming nagtutroll, pero lahat sila bulok. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Oops! Really? Why did you have to go back? Oh no! Please! Why are you going? Yun, thank you, girlie. Okay, let's go. Wala ka pala eh. Nahulog pa siya! Nahulog pa siya! Sorry, nahulog pa siya. Okay. No! Dude, girlie! I was on your side. But then you randomly kicked me. I was literally on your side. I literally wanted to help you. But there you are. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko siyang islap. Pero nakakahiya na pag in-slap ko siya, hindi siya madali. Diba? Diba, Blair? Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Balik tayo dun sa atin na simula. Bakit? Wala ka? Taas tayo ulit. Tingnan natin. I'm reporting y'all. Uy, sorry. Oh, stop. Shut up, Frank. Shut F up. Oh, why are you guys so mad? Oh. Don't stop me. I don't want to get into this trouble. Ayaw mo maging explorer? Ang balik tayo. Nandun lahat ng mga magagandang nangyayari. Ulit na sabihin ako sa mala ha. Nag-aaway talaga sila sa chat. You can't do anything about it. Why yo? I don't care. Why are they so mad? Heart slap hand. Oh. Thank you. Okay. I can literally just go back and forth. Nag-aaway kayo. Ay, in-stock ko yung sarili ko. Guys, can someone open? In-stock ko sarili ko. Para akong sira. Okay, let's go back. Hindi. Yung slap tower. Kasi ang dami nangyayari dito eh. Okay, don't troll me. Ikaw lang maghanap. No, ouch. Dude, you're so mean. You're so ass. Lily, I think you're a crazy person then. What is even going on? No.
Ito si Lil Bacon Boy. Parang nakalaro natin to ah.
Sino?
Si Lil Bacon Boy.
Slap tower lane AG. I say no. Said grammar issue. Ay, sorry, hindi ikaw. Sorry, hindi ikaw. Tinry kung i-ano si Jisoo K-pop, blah 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 blah. Hindi ko si tama, okay? Let's go. No, I'm not trying to kill you. Okay. Okay, let's go. O, try natin i-troll yung mga nang-troll. Because you know, we're not that mean. We're not a mean person. Unlike them. Unlike you. O, tingnan natin si Duman. Okay. Akala ko mong troll siya eh. I'm watching. Okay, move forward na tayo dahil wala pa tayong nagagawang progress. She mad because I slapped her and it's called troll tower. Lily, I don't care. Oh. Guys, help me. Let me get up. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, wala na tayo sa drama nila. Actually, cost at you. I did. B. Guys, stop saying the B word.
Oh my gosh.
Guys.
They said the B word?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
They said the B word.
You're such a...
You're so mean.
What did they say?
Oh, thank you.
Did they say
Yo.
little dog?
Yo, no. Yes, stop. Oh, at least hindi sila nandadami ng ibang tao, di ba? Sila lang yung nag-aaway-away. Hello, Stilka. Hello, Vanessa. Okay, I'm planning to go back. Oh, uy. Try ko kaya itong tapusin. Oh my gosh, I'm actually doing progress. Tingnan natin. She still don't care. Somebody report Lily because his mouth is still opening. If you report me, then I don't care. Oh, if you hate me, congratulations. I don't care. Okay, good luck getting reported.
So first, we gotta feed ourselves.
Ba't ka nag-aaway kayo? If you report me, I don't care. I don't care. I still don't care. What the heck, man?
What the heck? Oh no.
What the heck is a bad word? Guys, don't slap me. Oh, diba? Because your face is ugly! I never asked if you didn't care, Lily. Because your face is ugly. Get trolled by D. Ano ba? Ano pa kayo nag-aaway? Sino bang? Ay. They're fighting. Girly. They're literally fighting. You're built ugly, Lily. Oh, you're sabi na you're built ugly, Lily. Oh.
Bakit nakalayo yun?
Lily, your face is ugly too. I reported. Oh. Lily, your face is ugly too. She got banned. Okay, naban na ata si Lily. Ay, si ano pala? Sino ba to? Si Madisu? Ay, oo. Hahaha, hindi pa pala siya na-banned. How dare you lie to us? You said she was banned.
Nagsabi mo mga scraps. Ano naman?
Huwag ka na kasi makapaglaro dyan. Guys, can somebody open? Lol. Ay, no, don't leave. Respawn lang. Ang dami pang nangyayari dito. Hindi tayo aalis hanggat nag-aaway pa rin sila.
Bubulo kayo mga kala ko naman.
Lol.
Bakit ko na-explain?
No, I don't care about the heart slap hand. Uy, ano ba ga?
Ginagawa niya all this time. Ako bubulo ko lahat. So, na lang sana.
Do you know her? Nope. Ouch. Dude, I keep falling!
Just trying to get food from my family.
Can I take food from my family? Ah! I did not make it! Dude, you are so mean. In IRL?
Look
Nah.
at that dumb.
Okay. Ano naman kayo?
Okay, so it's time to like save the kid.
Uy! Sira ako mag-grab.
First, where is the kid? So habang sila ay walang ginagawa, save ako ng kid.
Manis ka naman kasi dyan.
They
You cannot
they're
stop.
dummies.
She just mad because I slap her. Ouch! Gaga to ah. Haha, nalol.
It's not fair.
Ay, haha, lol. Bye, me too. Dude, that girl's slapping me.
This is not the one.
Hi! Ay, bumalik si Maddie Soy. So? Who is Maddie Soy? Dude, stop. She keeps trolling me. Hindi ako makadaan. Hindi na ako pinapadaan. Susumbong kita kay mama.
This dumb.
Susumbong ko talaga siya kay mama. Mama, go guys. Bye-bye. No one asked. Dude, no one asked.
Do you know that wolves, when wolves are so many, it is called wolves, not wolves.
Go, go, go.
Do you know
There you
that?
go. Ah,
Yes, I do. So,
dude, you're so mean. Ah,
here.
ikaw, Malvina 3. You are done, Malvina 3. I will protect this button and I will not let you guys.
You're so dumb.
Who has admin? Ang pangit naman ang pangalan niya, K-pop Demon Hunter fan. Dude, I'm not even trolling! Okay, ang pangit ang pangalan niya, K-pop Demon Hunter fan.
Ew. Hindi, nainis lang sa makeup naman ng ganyan. Ano ka lang ganyan, ano nila, kanta. It's addicting.
Go, go. Oh,
Also, you.
ito na naman si Malvina. Itatap ko talaga tong si Malvina. Bala siya. Go, Malvina!
Tapos nagawa sa pamilya ko.
Hesitate. Hesitate, girlie. Hesitate. Girlie, go.
Hirap-hirap maging ano
Oh,
yun.
see? Okay naman, itatap niya ako. Miss ka naman kasi. Ouch, dude! Si sus. Hindi naman siya kinakaaway. Si Malvina talaga kinakaaway ko. Dude. Malvina, I am very sorry. Dude, the plan? Malvina, I know, we had some problems. But you know, let the past be the past. You know, we don't have to do this. Hindi man ako makataas. Ba't hindi ako makataas? Sino ba ako? Oh, ikaw muna mauna, Python. You go first! Oh, yes. Thank you. Ouch! Ah, ako pa yung nadali ni Python! I'm literally helping Python. Let's go.
Tigilan mo anak, tigilan mo. Papatayin kita. Tingnan mo na pinag-go nila. Ang ganda.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Sinayang nila yung scraps.
Go.
Good job!
I love my daughters.
Good job, anak. Good job. Such a
Okay.
good job.
Okay, sige. Mahal mo data mo. Go. See? Dude, we don't hate you. Oh, siya na lang. Isap mo. Stop, dude. Him, dude.
Good decision. Medyo mantali.
Nag-away sila doon. Oh, nahulog si Malvina! Nahulog si Malvina. No, it's okay, girlie. Guys, go. Go, I love.
Sweetheart, go build the sun.
Yes! Okay, diba? This is how you play. Oh, daan na kayo,
Now
guys.
I'm gonna feed my babies.
Go, Malvina.
Goods.
No, it's okay. Dude, it's okay.
Boom! Ang galing! Boom!
It's okay. Diba?
Tingnan mo, may mamamatay sa isa.
Okay, ako nandito. Oh! Who got slapped, dude? Who got slapped?
Ako kaya po ng wood.
Okay, wala naman nasa slap.
Save it.
Dude, I wasn't trying to hurt you or anything. I was just looking. Oh, try natin makalaya. Okay. I found a new BS place. Wala na tuloy yung mga nag-aaway. Boring, umalis kasi si Maddie Sue. Umalis na yung mga nag-aaway. Yo, baby from K-pop Demon Hunters. Galaxy Hunters. What? In. Up! I was focused on the chats. Okay, mabait si Python.
Who literally wasted.
Dude, just stand on it to let them smoke. Ay, makasira naman kayo maglaro. Yung nanonood. It hurts my brain.
Who the heck thought that putting and making a little bandit trap at our camp would help us? At first, may down feelings. Look.
Oh!
So, tingin ba nila na yung makakatch?
Tuloy natin makalayo, guys.
Walang makakatch yan. I'm just being honest.
Oo, nalipad-lipad na talaga sila dun.
Okay, so hindi na kami scared na.
I hate the cold. Try kong i-jump papunta dun sa purple. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. What's the code? 1, 1, 1, 3. Okay, let's go back. Sino ba ito? Ba't kayo ng pangalan niya? I love my daughters.
Parang hindi pa sila nagulo.
No, it's okay, Jasmine. It's okay. See? Ouch! Dude, why me? What did I do to you? What? Why ba ako? Hindi ko alam kung paano makabuhay. Dude, I don't know how I'm still alive. Oh, gaganti tayo kay Jasmine. Jasmine, I'm not letting that slide. Uy! Wow! I got life. Oh, lasa talaga to. That's nice. Titigil ko na tong video to. Okay. Dude, Jasmine, I literally helped you go there. Like, baby Saja.
Ano ba yung tubig na
Go, baby Saja. Oh! Si Jasmine! Basta, hindi ako titigil. Hindi ako alis dito hanggat hindi ko nasasampal diyang si Jasmine na yan. Jasmine, ha? Pinadaan kita dyan, ha? No trolling, please. Please, shoot shine. Oh, bobo to mong troll. Okay. No, don't troll me. Oh, si Baby Saja! Baby Saja, niligtas talaga kita from the depths of hell.
Niligtas.
Yes, niligtas ko siya kasi na-stuck siya doon. Pero for some reason, galit siya sa akin. Ay, hindi ko pala siya niligtas. I did not get the opportunity. Ayun na nga si Baby Saja. Baby Saja is ruling. Ouch! Ano, sira ka pala eh. Baby Saja, I don't like you anymore. Baby Saja, umalis ka dito. Dude, it's literally Baby Saja, it's not me. Ano, salasan na yung trap mo, no? Salasan na yung mga trap mo, hindi mo sila natatrap. Buhay pa ako. Oh, I'm sorry, yun na. Oh. Ayaw mag-slap ng aking snapper. The main purpose, oh, lumilipad na talaga ako. Wow! Nangulog na ako. Baby Saja! Nandun pa rin ba yun? Nandun pa rin si Baby Saja, nainis na ako. No more troll. Eh, wala. Kahit na walang troll, sasampalin pa rin kita. Wow! Let's drop. Hindi na ako dadaan, hindi ako madaan eh.
No. Sorry, no.
Uy, unlock mod now. I don't have any money. You're Varia Bacon. What? Ano sinasabi mo? Who is that? Uy, tinatrap niya lahat ng tao dun, oh. Ronaldo is better.
Nagtanong ka pa, baby.
Yes! Bye, Ronaldo. Oy, lumilipad si Ronaldo! Ronaldo, why do you fly? Ronaldo is boring. Ronaldo is better. Bana Robux after... Ano? Bala kayo dyan. Mag-usap kayo dyan mag-isa. Eh di wow. 1, 2, 8, 5, 2. Ba't ko lahat binabasa lahat ng username nila? Let's go. Patayin mo sila. Silang patayin mo. Kainin mo lahat ng food. Tsaka dyan mo kaya gawin yung troll mo. Kaya kaibigan mo. I-troll mo pa rin sila. Look out. Ah! Jose, you are lame. Jose.
No one is literally doing anything.
Okay, bye. Stop.